Hello traders, welcome back to Risforfreedom. The topic of today is gonna be the first step on taking control over your brain and mind. It is something that you're doing since you were born. It's something that you're doing it right now, and it's something that you're gonna do for the rest of your life. I'm talking about breathing. When you learn how to breathe correctly, you're gonna experience only positive outcomes in your life. But what are these positive outcomes, and what is the right technique on breathing correctly? The first benefit you're gonna get is the level of stress dropping down. We all know the majority of illness of nowadays world is strictly related to stress. So when you learn how to breathe correctly, you're gonna manage your stress effectively in a way that's gonna lead you only to good and positive outcomes. The second benefit you're gonna get is clarity of thoughts. You're not gonna experience brain fog anymore. You're gonna know what to do and how to do it on the right time. That's gonna lead you to positive outcomes, because when you control your breath, you control your thoughts. When you control your thoughts, you control your actions. When you control your actions, you control your life. Another benefit that you're gonna get is the level of energy going up, increasing. Every time you breathe air in, you take the energy of your surroundings, and when your surroundings are calm, that good, that's gonna make you feel good. For example, we are here in nature, and when I breathe this air, I feel my energy is going up. And you can control also your energy. If you want to be calm, you just need to breathe and you're gonna calm down. If you need high levels of energy, you just need to learn how to breathe to obtain this energy. So there are way more benefits that you're gonna experience, but that's all subjective. Only you know what are the struggles and what are the benefits that you're gonna get. For example, I had never been an anxious person. I had never actually have too much stress in my life. On the other side, I always have struggled to control my energy. I have like ADHD, a sort of ADHD, and it was really difficult for me to sitting still or sitting quiet or even be quiet for a while. I was always jumping place to place. When I start to practice my breathing techniques, I noticed that I could control my level of energy, and this only have give me some good outcomes, not only in my trading but in my entire life, in all areas of my life. The techniques that actually made me achieve this is the most standard techniques, and I like this technique. um, I like this technique because it's not something extremely difficult. It's something that your body can adapt really easily. The technique is breathing in through in your nose, and you need to breathe in for 4 seconds. When you breathe in, make sure to put all the air in your belly. When you move your belly, when you breathe, your lungs reach the 100% capacity of taking air. And the more air you put in your body, the more benefit you're gonna get. The second step is holding the air in for 4 seconds. Then breathe out throughout your mouth for 4 seconds and hold your breath out for another 4 seconds. This is gonna teach your lungs on how to expand and how to actually take the breathing. You take your breathing on another level. Make sure to be in a clean space. The best is to practice on nature. Just find a quiet place, sit with your back straight, and do this technique until you feel your belly cannot hold more air. The more time comes, the more you're gonna realize every time you breathe and you take control and you control your breath, you're gonna see all these positive outcomes, your stress level, your energy level, clarity of thoughts, they're gonna occur. And that the more you get experience, the more you're gonna get also experience in these things, and to manage them in a way that's only gonna take you to positive outcomes. So today I don't wanna take too much time on this video. You just need to practice. There is no theory on this. It's just you just need to practice this. So find a good space where you can practice, and then let the magic begin.